Yo.
It's Lennon, bitch.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, yo, G, turn it up. We ballin' on the low. We cashed out, we keep it on the low. Pull up with the gang in a new Benz. This is what we do every weekend, man. We be up all day. It's 12 a.m., man, this is no play. Obi skills got two flavors, but I owe you niggas no favors. Why you niggas throwing tantrums? They don't never see me, I'm a phantom. Shout out to the ones that embraced me. They're the reason why these haters couldn't face me. I been fucking sauces with a strap on. This the year that I really got my guap on. Like I said, this game is for the smart ones. Money bags on me, I like them fat ones. If we hand blood, nigga don't bro me. Back then, used to say you don't know me. They be yelling LO King OB. I've been yelling you the realest OG. I do it for the culture. Why is you aspiring on my broke yo?